Yo, what's up, everybody? Man, it's been a while since I went live. It's crazy, dude. It's been like, I don't even know, like a month or so. The indices already opened. You're already gapping up. Came back down a little bit. Doesn't even matter too much. Is the 5 minute divergence playing out? Oh, no, it's not. You actually gapped down. Let's give it a little bit. I want to see where everybody's at right now. Because I haven't been live in a while, so what's up? Yo, what's up, team Mike? I'll start going when the OnlyFans. If I know that if I know enough people are gonna watch my OnlyFans, I'll dude, I'll give it to you guys for free. It'll literally just be me in front of a in front of a toilet recording myself. Oh man, it's been a while. Feels good to be back. I got some for those of you for my Mexican peeps out there. I got an esquite next to me and some ginger ale on the side. I'll give it a little bit more time for everybody to like log in and stuff, and then we'll get all this stuff started, man. How's everybody been? It's been a while, dude. I gotta be more consistent with these lives, but we'll see where it goes. Hmm. I'm heavy in Tesla, bro. I know you're heavy in Tesla. I know you're making a shit ton of money on Tesla. Wait, how much did you make on Tesla this past week? I haven't I haven't played anything really. I think all last week on options, I think all I did was just that 10K GME gain that I showed you guys on the chat. And then right now I'm like half, I think half Amazon, half GameStop, and I'm just playing GameStop for Monday, just for tomorrow. I'm working too much as well. Yeah, I know that. Did you see? I mean, I'm what is it called? I'm looking at outrageous is like when he posts about working at SpaceX, dude. That shit's crazy. I'm happy he's working there though. That's pretty cool. I'm pretty happy he's working at SpaceX. 26 is still open on some options. That's good, dude. Yeah, I know you were heavy in Tesla, so I'm happy you went heavy in that. That was my mistake. I didn't go heavy on Tesla just because I was focused on Amazon and GameStop. So GameStop recovered a whole bunch. You had that pop on Friday. I'm thinking it can actually move up another $10 tomorrow. I'm gonna get out of everything for GameStop, just kind of hold on to cash, and then go on and hang out with Amazon. But I still have my super secret play that I haven't really like told you guys about. And I mean, I'll reveal that in the chat when I actually do it. I haven't done it yet, but it's my super secret play of 2023, and I'll let you guys know about it a little bit later. What is it? Sold my sold my leap on Tesla at the wrong time, dude. Well, I mean, why would you sell Tesla leap? But I want to go Amazon. Yeah, dude, Amazon's going to 110. That's why I bought it up. Amazon looks like it's going to like 110 easy, bro. Like I saw that and I'm like, oh, dude, Amazon looks disgusting. I think I already have it charted out, but hold up. I think today I'm gonna stay on for like an hour or so. So you guys got me for like an hour. But yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I mean, my target right now in Amazon is this area, this previous gap here from 105 to 110. I mean, I think in Amazon right now, I think I have like 10K worth of calls for Amazon for 105 or 100. I don't remember what strike I have for my options on Tesla on Amazon, but I have like 10K worth of calls. And then on GameStop, I think I have another like 10K worth of calls for tomorrow. Just playing tomorrow, I think. I don't think I'm playing anything else. What the hell is this? What is this? Is that new? Oh, headlines. A Bed Bath and Beyond bankruptcy could be a boost to these stocks. Oh, cool. Yeah, I'm happy about that. Yeah, I don't want to play earnings on Tesla. It's gonna be on Amazon. It feels a little dangerous, but um, at the same time, because well, here's the thing. Amazon. I think retail. I think Q4 for retail was actually a lot better than people expect. I think everybody's thinking an earnings crush. I don't think that's gonna happen, especially when they said that they for Q4. I think for their Prime Day or not Prime Day. I think for Q4 they said that they made the most money they've ever made. Obviously, that's probably because of inflation, but they said that they made the most money ever. And then also for I think they're gonna do really poorly on their AWS because Microsoft did really bad in cloud, and their forecast was shitty. So I think it's too risky to play Amazon or for me to hold on to those calls for Amazon, but I'm gonna hold on to them until right before um, February 2nd when their earnings is, and I think it's on Thursday or something, right? Yeah. So I'm gonna be holding on to my Amazon calls until right before earnings, and I'll probably leave like a grand or so to play earnings to see what happens. But that's just a gamble. I don't. I very rarely do I play earnings. I don't like earnings. It's very 50-50, honestly. Pre was red. It will gap up. Yeah, I think too. I think we're gonna gap up. Right now it's all like just pre market and stuff, right? Let's look at the SPX 500, especially with Bitcoin and Ethereum, everything mooning up. Whoops, wrong place. What I don't get is why I can't get FXCM here, like as the broker, right? Like usually that's what I use. I use the FXCM as a broker to like do all these things, and it's not doing. It doesn't, it doesn't do anything for me, which is weird. And ha, look, that's basically my forecast. I guess I was wrong because that actually went the other way. I actually thought we are gonna jump up, come back, retest, and then push up, but same direction, right? It's literally. I mean, I just thought I was gonna go up higher, come back, retest, and push. Here, it's you actually came back down, pushed up here, and I think you're gonna keep pushing to the upside, which is actually pretty okay. What was this forecast for? 500. Yeah. I mean, I think for now we're headed towards that 413, 415 level on SPX. I think that's probably where we're gonna go right now. I need a better chart. I'm not liking this. I don't have my chart because I don't have my chart right now, which just kind of sucks. And then FOMC. This is actually for FOMC. So FOMC should be actually like February. I don't even know where FOMC when FOMC is. FOMC is on maybe Wednesday. So the first, like right here, maybe. That's probably it. So these should probably be a little bit higher, but yeah. F1, I mean, we could see, I mean, it's never been wrong, right? Usually around that area. I do think that we'll keep pushing towards like 420 by like this week. I think we can have some pretty huge, massive jumps um this week on the SPX. It's kind of ridiculous when you think about it because I definitely think that we're gonna gap up. Oh shit. There we go. All right, guys. I'm about to I'm taking this shit right now. Give me a second. I'm taking this long right now on Forex. If anybody's watching me right now, I'm taking this shit. I'll update you guys in the chat on where we're at. But yeah, I'm definitely taking this thing. Let's go with SPX trade. We'll do a SPX. We'll do a 5 lot. And then for the Nasdaq, I'll open up a 2 lot on the Nasdaq. Just because I think we're gonna keep pushing to the upside. Look at that. Look at that. Look, and then you have the 15-minute divergence too. Look at that. Free saucer, but look at that. 15-minute divergence. Where's my brush, bro? Look, solid. Look at that. Look at that. 15-minute divergence. Look at all this area. Look at that whole area, boys. Look at that whole area. Just opened up my positions just now. Look at that. That's beautiful right there. T-Mac, Tyler, if you're on. Flair, if you're on. That's a beautiful 15-minute PD right there. Oh, fuck. What did I just do? Oh, did I delete the... Ah, damn it. I think I deleted my indicator on that. That's okay. I'll put it back up. But yeah, I'm taking this. I already took this. I already opened up some pretty big lots on this. So if you guys want to take that. Amazon does have the whole AI deal going. Wait, what deal do they have going on for Amazon Flare? I actually don't know. I'm interested. I haven't read any of the news. I should probably keep up with the news to be honest, because I know those can probably like push up everything pretty hard. Let me get comfortable, guys. But yeah, I know the AI stuff. I know Microsoft is already. I know they're pushing development on Chat, GPT, and OpenAI. I know that somebody has to take over the server power for the AI for OpenAI. So love the PD, man. Oh, dude, fuck yeah. I'm telling you, bro. Like once I release that book, you guys better You guys better buy multiple copies, bro. Like I'm being completely serious. Like giving you guys free sauce. You know that shit works fucking like that shit works wonders, man. And I'm happy that it's just us in the chat using it, right? Once you start mass using the strategy, it might get it might get completely wrecked by like big banks or anything, right? Because if you have a bunch of people using the strategy, then there's a chance that you have big money, opening counters against it and stuff. So I'm very happy that it's only being used by just us. There is a lot of earnings this week. I forgot to answer that, but there's a crap ton of earnings this week, so that can be kind of nutty. But it can really go either way. Personally, I'm bullish all this week, even though earnings are going to be, kind of funky. Amazon, I think their cloud service is gonna hit the shit. That's what Microsoft did. I'm not surprised if Amazon's earnings are also pretty crappy. But again, it's very risky, and I'd rather hold on to cash, wait to see how all the earnings and stuff comes out, and then go back into the market because it's too risky. Amazon is probably gonna fumble the bag with all the cloud stuff, just the same way that Microsoft did because Microsoft is king. So if Microsoft did bad, why would Amazon do better, right? That doesn't make any sense. Um, so sorry, I have like a cut on my thumb, but yeah, that's what I think as of right now. I think earnings are gonna be horrible. It doesn't make sense for earnings to be good, right? Look at that, bro. Who's taking that with me? Look at that. Look at that PD go. As soon as we break this level, right? As soon as we break that 4071.28, once we break that, dude, we're going back to here. I can almost guarantee you as soon as this breaks, right? That high right there, if that breaks, we are I can almost guarantee you guys we are going back to here, which is this break what is it called? This order block right there. So that's your target right now, boys. Right here. Let me put this a little bit longer. Right there. That's target right now. That shit's gonna break, I'm telling you. This high right here, this high right there, that's gonna break right now. That high is what? 4071.20? 4071.00. It's gonna break. Once that breaks, I'm telling you, we're going back there. If you guys are taking this long with me, which you should, we took it back here somewhere, right? I took this like right here before it started running, right? So even right now, right, you can probably take this all the way up to even block order, right? Let's do it to the bottom of the block, to the order block right there. Where's the wick? Like right there. Did it wick there? Yeah, there we go. So even if you just take this, right? That's a 3 R&R right there. Easy long right here, dude. Easy long. Watch that shit get broken right now. Look at that. High is 4071.20. High is 4071.00. So you still gotta break it, but look at that. High is 4071.70. You already broke it. There you go. That's confirmation. We're going back to right here. 4086.98. Probably a little bit higher. So again, even with this, if you take this trade right now, that's a 300% gain. And I can almost guarantee you guys we're gonna keep pushing from here because he broke that high. You're probably gonna go back to somewhere like to like this little order block that's right there. So somewhere around this area. And if we're actually running real divergence here, right, which you guys always should be doing, um, we gotta look at the trending fib. So what was the last time we were this low? It was like down here, right? So we'll do. Was it here? Yeah, somewhere in this area. It doesn't have to be perfect. So the highs over here, the lows down here, bam, right there, right? So technically, your trade should actually be somewhere over here. Your R and R would be a 6-1 R and R. How fucking ridiculous is that, dude? Are you kidding me? All this PD movement is ridiculous. Watch, I'll show you guys right now. So let's actually run this trade how we would normally take it, right? Like that. Right there. You ever set up right here. Your targets are right there. Get out of this. Move this somewhere over here because it's kind of blocking our way a little bit. Why is this here? What is this? Is this a new? Is this new? I have no idea. I didn't know that was new. Right, let's run back to the 4 hour. Do we have anything up here? I mean, you have some sort of support there at that, like, where are we at? So you're there. Let me see if we have any, like, support. Here you go. Right there. See? You have some nice market structure right there. right? And that middle ground of 411. So I mean, just on immediate like recent activity, we can go back to the daily, right? So we'll do this. We'll do that. We'll do this. See, there you go. So you have like pretty good activity, or look at that. You have pretty good activity around that area, in that 411 area. So yeah, if I had to guess where we're going right now, I'd say 411. Looks like that's probably going to be where we're going to be headed. So target would actually be, see again, I'm probably already in profit in this. So target would actually be up here at 411, which would give you an R&R of 7.6. Come on, a 7.6 to one R&R, that's kind of crazy. But yeah, this is basically what I'm holding, trading this right now. If you guys want to join in, that's great. If not, then you don't have to. But right, first area is right here. This is probably, if it hits this, this is probably where where I would adjust my stops, and then the next actual target would be 411, which is up here. Which is, that's, you're probably going to close at 15 minutes somewhere like in the next 12 minutes, which is pretty dope. So, if you guys are watching right now, that's like free game right there, dude. I'm never going to show that up ever again. I'm never going to show you guys how to PD on YouTube ever. You Ethereum moving? Oh shit, I'm gonna look at Ethereum right now. Remember Shopify should have held, just looked at it. Oh fuck. Oh, what the hell? Where's shop at? Let me look at it. Yeah, I know we held a lot of shop. I think when I last held Shopify, I think I had like 30, 40K of it, I think. Where's that at? Damn, $50. I fucking knew it, dude. I fucking knew Shopify was gonna run. Ah, fuck. And I bought it at like 20, $30. I knew Shopify was gonna run. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna buy some in the money like calls for Shopify. Look at that. It broke all these highs, dude. Shopify, I can almost guarantee you, is probably headed to 73, $77. Almost, I can almost guarantee you that it's headed there. Almost guarantee you that it's heading there, bro. Shopify right now is an easy, easy, easy long. I can guarantee you guys that right now. Guarantee you guys that right now. It's on the bottom. It's at the bottom end of the range too. Look at that. Look, bottom end of the range. I can guarantee you this shit's gonna break to the upside. And you're gonna hit like these levels right there, like a 76. Can almost guarantee you guys it's gonna do that. And then the next range for shop is probably gonna be like here. I'd guess somewhere like in this area, like probably like here. Watch, like here to like right here somewhere. I can almost guarantee you guys. You're gonna hang out maybe here for a bit, and then you're probably gonna shoot up to like 120 something. So I think this year, if you guys are holding on to shop, you guys can easily make 100%, 200% gain on this because I think this thing can actually run to like 125 to like 108 sometime this year. Almost guarantee you guys that's what's gonna happen. Easy. Fuck, dude, I can't believe we let that shit go. Earnings on shop, dude. If Amazon surprises to the upside, Shopify is gonna fucking moon like crazy. Shop's gonna moon like crazy. I can guarantee you guys, if Amazon actually surprises to the upside, I can guarantee you that Shopify is gonna be 100% the better option over over Amazon any single day. Can almost guarantee you guys just on the return that it can make. Look at that. Then I taking it. Oh look, this trade on ETH back here. Forgot when this was. Did it? I guess it didn't pan out how I wanted to. That's okay though. Still made a shit ton of money on ETH. Yeah, I think my next move right now is gonna be Shopify. I think it's headed to 120. So I think from here you can definitely get like 100% gain by just holding Shopify. Look at that. Daily, you're gonna close this daily in 40 minutes, dude. Flare. If you're on ETH, you're gonna close this daily VC, or not a VC, but you're gonna close this daily bullish trigger here. Next level for ETH. Let me see. Probably looking at right here, somewhere like a 2,000 ETH. That's what I'm looking for. I can probably guess that the next level is gonna be like a 2K ETH. I'll tell you guys that right now. Yeah, man, shit's moving, dude. All crypto's moving. I have a feeling that it might actually come down a little bit sometime soon. Um, oh damn, SPX came down a little bit. Oh, it's like matching it right there. I didn't realize that it was actually gonna like come back that hard. Send to back. That's what I want. There you go. I need to send this to. That's what I wanted. I'm gonna send this to back. It's dumping hard. I wonder what the dollar's doing. I wonder why it's dropping like that. DXY. Dollar's not doing anything. Dollar's just chilling. Yeah, dollar's chilling. If anything, I'm crazy bullish on on the stock market just because of the dollar. Look at the dollar. Look at this bullish trigger all the way up here, 1024. All it's been doing is just trading down. If it can get back to this 1024 for the DXY, then I would be worried. But right now, not really worried about any of the indices going down. At least not hard, to be honest. Well, I'm probably gonna get stopped out. Yeah, we're coming down a little bit harder now, so I might get stopped out on that trade. SPX close. Yeah, I'm about to get closed on SPX right now. My stop is a little bit lower. It's right under that wick. My stop should probably be down here though. My stop should be here at like 4057.05. Just because that's the next big candle on the downside. So like right here. But the real, I mean, that should be my stop. My stop should be like right there. Actually, stop should be like right here probably, because it's actually a little bit under this wick. I should probably arrange that right now. What is this? What level is that? 4060.58. Give me a sec. I'm actually gonna adjust my stops right now for my Nasdaq and for the two that I just took recently. Give me a sec. Let me see. This one, SPX 4060.558. 4060. My stop is gonna be 4060.58. Adjust that. For the Nasdaq, probably something similar, so I'll modify that. Oh, actually, let me chart. 15 minutes. Stop is gonna be at right under that, so probably a little bit like probably at 12154.07. Let me change that. 12154 12154.07. Is that what it was? 121 12154. Yeah, that's gonna be my stop right there. Cool. Yeah, I'm good. Everything's adjusted for me. All my stops are adjusted, so I do think we'll see if we actually break that. If we break this low, this little wick low right there, 4063.26. If that breaks, then I think we'll 100% go lower. If this wick right there, that wick right there on the bullish candle does not break, I think we're gonna recover all this and move to the upside. So we'll see what happens. Either way, this is still technically not uh PD, just because we didn't get that trigger on the 15 minutes. So I actually took this a lot earlier than I should have. I should have waited for the red bubble to actually close out, but it does look like right now we are pushing stronger to look at that. Yeah, we're probably gonna push. Look at that. Look at that 5 minute VC right there. See that? 5 minute PD to the downside right there. Look at that. Your previous high, your previous stoke up here, and you probably touching right there. So I would probably take the short down right now. So I don't think this is gonna play out. At least I don't think so, because you have your 5 minute divergence here on the bear side. So this is probably gonna come back down. Although I would have liked this to be a little bit higher, because it did not touch that 80 level on the stochastic. So I don't know yet. But again, that this level right there, that see the you can see the push down pretty hard. So that 4063.26, you can definitely that needs to break. If that breaks, then I'm gonna get stopped out. If this low of the wick does not break, I'm not gonna get stopped out. I'm pretty positive on that. But that low needs to break. You can go down to the minute and even watch it more carefully. Look at that. So again, if you do not break this wick low, if this wick right here, that wick right here does not break, we're gonna push up super hard. But if that wick breaks, that low right there, we're gonna continue all the way. Look at that, boom, just broke. Let me get rid of this. Yeah, I just broke. What's the low here? The low is 4063.30, 4063 dot. Oh wait, no, you actually didn't break it. 406.30, 406.30. Yeah, you didn't break it. You matched it. You actually matched that right here. So this play is still on. There you go. There you go. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. But again, you have to break that low. You're matching the low on the wick. If that wick does not break to the low side, you're still good to go. But again, you have to break that wick on the low side. This is still a clean entry right here. But again, I took it too early because I didn't wait for an actual PD. That red bubble didn't show up. So technically, it's still pretty early. Look on DXY March 6, 2020 support. The 1 minute is gonna save us, dude. That 1 minute PD is gonna stress me the fuck out. I added at the bottom. FXCM wig is lower and open. Oh, it's lower. Ah, damn it, dude. Yeah, I'm not. I don't get I don't get the FXCM broker on my desktop version, and I have no idea why. But I'm still in these longs. Like I'm not gonna close them out yet. That 1 minute is probably gonna come in pretty clutch. Look at that. Look at that, dude. Look, 1 minute PD. Who called it? Tyler did. Tyler called that 1 minute PD. If you guys want to stress out, trade the 1 minute PD. Right? Look at that. It's right there on the lows. What is this low? Low is 406.30. 406. Yeah, you didn't break it. You matched that low perfectly and you have divergence there. I would definitely say at even points like this, I would definitely call a divergence and you can definitely take this here, but yeah, I think that minute might actually save us. It might come in pretty clutch. You do have a small gap right there. If you guys can see it. You might not be able to see it because I have this long going on, but you have a small gap right there between that wick and there and that wick too. But dude, I am so upset about shop. I had no idea that it ran that hard, Flare. Dude, that's crazy, dude. Man, that's beautiful. What is that? That's like 100% gain, right? From the lows? It went to 25. I'm pretty sure it did. Yeah, 25. Yeah, it did. Look at that. 25. You would have been up 100% already. Absolutely insane. That's so ridiculous, dude. That's so freaking crazy that it's up that hard. So upset that I missed out. Honestly, so upset that I missed out on that. So upset. That looks like such an easy trade too. Where's the weekly at? Weekly was right here. Entry, perfect entry here, perfect entry here, just sideways, perfect entry. I mean, you would have caught it. If you would have bought on the perfect entry on the weekly, you would have caught it, right? Here, you would have bought here, right? Came down 1 week, you would have exploded the next week. Here, just traded sideways, you would have had like a minimal loss. Here, you would have caught this at 30 bucks. It would have been that position would have been at 50K. I'm telling you, dude, swing trades on those weeklies, easy trades, man. Such easy trades on the weekly swings. You would have held this since October for a full 100% gain right now. That would have been ridiculous. And again, I'm telling you, I don't think you're gonna get rejected here. I think you're gonna keep pushing pretty hard. And look at that. The monthly too, closed on shop. You would have bought this on the monthly at $31. You would have been up how much what's the percentage on this? Forecast. Look at this. You would have bought this at the close right here. You would have been down for what, 1 month, maybe 2 months? But look, you would have been up 61% right now. That's ridiculous, bro. If you guys aren't using the weekly and the monthly MACDs to get in your trades, dude, you guys are missing out. I know Danny was dollar cost averaging like crazy, and he's up like 50% on a bunch of stocks and whatever, which is ridiculous, man. Shout out to Danny if he's on this chat. Let me see. Did we crash? Did we crash on the low side? Oh yeah, look, it looks like it wants to come down. No, this is probably not gonna play out. It looks like it's probably not gonna play out. Yeah, you broke those lows. I want to see what happens here because my entry might actually be stopped out. But again, you have this gap, small little gap up here, so I do think we're gonna go back to 4069.20. I definitely think we're gonna go up there. But I want to see where the dollar's at, the XY. It's kind of quiet today though. Like no one's really on the live today. Yeah, dollar looks like it's gonna keep dropping. Where's everybody at? What's your dream net worth? My dream net worth? I'd say like, man, it definitely dream net worth. Something where I'd be comfortable. I'd say between 20 and 30 mil. That's probably my dream net worth. I'm not really shooting for like billion or like 100 million, to be honest. I can make do with like 20, 30 million. That's even then that sounds ridiculous, but um, you know, lows didn't break on FXCM and no gap either. Okay, let me know if the lows break, Tyler. If they break, dude, then I'm probably gonna get stopped out. But if those lows don't break, then we're still good on that PD. I think we're solid. Um, but yeah, if I had to pick, I'd probably say my dream net worth would be like 20, even lower than that. Honestly, I'd probably even go with like 15 to 20 million, to be honest. Like that's probably my dream. That's when I think that I'd be comfortably like retire. Like 1 million, 5 million, 10 mil. Like that's not something that I would be able to retire with. At least not comfortably. I'd probably still be worried about like, you know, what is it called? Like shop. Like, I'd probably still be what is it called? Yeah, I'd probably be worried all the time, honestly. Like if I retired with like $1 million, I would be worried. I mean, yeah, I can trade and I can do pretty well, but I don't want to trade. And I think people don't understand that. Like people think that trading is cool. I don't like trading. Trading's stressful, man. I want to never have to trade in my life ever again. Obviously, right now I do it because, I like it and it's cool, but I don't want to have to trade when I'm like, 50 years old or whatever, or when I'm, like 60, 70 years old. Would I mind it? Not really. I really wouldn't mind, you know, I would not mind trading, um, for a while. Like it doesn't bother me, but my goal is to not trade. My goal is to just lay down in bed and watch TV all day, man. That's what I want to do, or travel or whatever with my family and stuff. Yeah, that's it. That's really it. I don't. I'm not looking for 50 mil, 100 mil. I mean, if I can make a business and that ends up growing to that big, that's fantastic, man. I'm super happy. But my ultimate goal is just having 15, 20 mil and kind of coasting through life with my family and just enjoying everything. I don't need I don't need billions of dollars, man. I mean, other people have some like crazy dreams, which is fantastic. I'm good with like 15, 20 mil. Even then, that sounds pretty ridiculous to be honest. That's a lot of money. But as far as like my dream net worth, that's probably gonna be it. Or travel with outrageous dude. I would love to just hold you by your beautiful face and like tongue you. You know what I mean? Outrageous is my best friend, by the way. Just throwing that out there. Yeah, I mean, market looks kind of. I don't want to say boring, but it's not really doing much. Again, still in this trade, just kind of chilling for now. But Flare, dude, man, Shopify killed me, man. Shopify actually, that's something I'm pretty salty about right now. I had no idea. I haven't been keeping an eye on. Look, Tilray. Tilray looks like it's gonna do a pretty nice VC right there soon, or at least around that area. What happens? I mean, we could look Tilray. You could probably long this another 50 cents, but that's it. Never mind. It doesn't really look all that good. Oh wait, but it did close a perfect entry. Last time it did that, you kind of kept pushing from like like $3 all the way to five. So that's not bad. You could actually push all the way back up. You could push all the way back up, especially if you didn't break lows. Low is 252. Low is 267. Oh no, you did break lows. I mean, I would still long it. That looks like a pretty good long, and it does historically. Tilray does pretty well on the weekly. See, Tilray does really well on the weekly. So I definitely say this can probably go back to like a 440. Tilray, it's not bad. Not a bad long, honestly. Oh, that's my daughter. I think she was my daughter was sleeping, so I think she just woke up. I really want this. I really want this PD to play out, but we'll see what happens, boys, because I don't know. Hasn't broken yet. Look at that. You haven't broken yet, so this might actually play out for us. This 15-minute PD, and again, um, target. Oh wait, no, I don't want that. Target is still up here. Target's 411, right? If this actually plays out, if that red bubble closes right now, I think I might actually add more longs right now when this closes. If this closes, target's gonna be 411. That's probably gonna hit sometime tomorrow. I think. I don't think it'll hit overnight. If we do hit that overnight and we gap up that hard, I'm selling everything at open. I think everything will jump extremely ridiculous hard to the upside. Walmart weekly. Walmart weekly. Wait, do they have earnings this week? Flair? Uh, what's their ticker? Walmart. There we go. Does Walmart have earnings? Let's check the daily. Hold up. They should have earnings on. No, the earnings is the 21st. Walmart has earnings 21st. What does their chart look like? Oh fuck yeah, dude! I long this shit. I long this all freaking day. Why do I have so many things going on? Let's see. Restart chart view. How do I get? There you go. Remove drawings. Yeah, dude. I long this all freaking day. That looks like a sweet setup right there. Look at that. Where's my where's my trend line? Vertical, long, horizontal forecast. I don't even know what this is for. I don't even think I added that. We have. I'll do this. Oh yeah, dude. Look at that. That looks pretty nice. Why is that? Look at that huge wick though. Why did you drop that hard? You had a huge wick. Why did you drop that hard for earnings? I'd still long this. I'd long this all the way back to like 152. on Walmart. That looks pretty good towards earnings. I probably long this towards earnings. If Amazon's earnings for retail come out pretty good, you can easily long this to earnings. I think Walmart can go back to like 153 easy. Easy, easy, easy. On the weekly's about to go bullish too. Perfect entry here. Fuck, dude, look at this. Perfect entry. 123 on Walmart. Perfect entry. That shit, and it moonshot all the way up to like 142 in like what, 2 months? Yeah, these weeklies on Walmart are pretty insane. Look at that. Perfect entry. Perfect entry. This one would have kind of sucked because you would have bought at the top right here, 148. You would have only written this to like 151. So that one wouldn't have played out that well. But all these other ones were pretty nice. Look at that. I mean, Walmart tends to pop up super hard though. Look on those perfect entries on the weekly. It looks like it likes to pop up really hard on that weekly. Even here, right? Pops super hard on the weekly and then keeps going. Pops, keeps going. So yeah, I definitely think you're getting early here on Walmart if you're looking at buying into to the long side. And even right now, yeah, perfect structure, right? Perfect structure. Perfect structure. Boom. Perfect structure. Perfect structure. Perfect structure. Perfect structure. Like it definitely seems to go back to like here. Like a 158 looks pretty reasonable to be honest. Like all that looks like a reasonable move right there. And again, you can always forecast it from here to there, from here to there, from here to there. It all looks like a pretty reasonable move. And if we do like the trending fibs, right? We'll do this there, all the way down to look at that. You already hit your first target, right? If you would have taken this trade right here on this setup right there, this is probably a daily divergence to be honest. Let's see if that's anything. Daily divergence. Was this anything? Daily divergence. I mean, well, kind of. I don't think it actually was a daily divergence, but it was. You did have a pretty early signal here, but again, still hit target. So I think the next target you can actually end up running up hard too. Target's right here, here, bam. Oh, whoops! What did I just do? Like that. Oh, this should actually be down here, like right there. This should actually be up here. Yeah. So next target for Walmart is going to be between 162 to 171 after this bounce. So it's a pretty good setup. It just depends on how much we can actually make on the options, or if you guys just want to long it off of shares because it looks pretty good. MACD on point, it is, dude. It really is. Especially if you guys are looking at the weekly, like easy swings, man. It's easy swings. Ulta, dude. Ulta is one of my favorite stocks ever. Ulta is fucking ridiculous. That shit never goes down. Dude, Ulta has never gone down, even during fucking COVID, bro. Look at that shit. Fucking hell. Watch, look at this. Look at that move. Look at all this movement, dude, on Ulta. What a fucking goated stock. See, like you had an initial drop for like from 2020 for this COVID shit, but look, 126 to 503. You would have 5x your money if you just bought fucking Ulta. Fucking stupid, dude. Ulta is ridiculous. Like you just keep breaking highs. Like, the thing is, it's not even about trading this based off of like a TA. It's just valuation. Like, where do you think this shit's actually gonna be worth? Ulta looks fucking stupid. If I don't get stopped, I think I'm gonna add another long, a 15-minute close. Oh, fuck. Let's look at it, dude. I'm actually add some more longs with you. Let me see. Where's it at? I didn't even check. I mean, yeah, it doesn't want to break. Look at that. Does not want to break. See, it doesn't want to break this. I mean, it doesn't want to stop me. It's not stopped out yet. So we'll see what happens. I mean, even the dollar right now. Again, usually how I look at my movement is just on the dollar. If the dollar keeps pushing down, if it looks like it's going to keep going down, I still hold on. Look at that. You had a nice little push down on the dollar. I'm still holding on to these longs. If anything, I'll give it some more wiggle room, but the dollar keeps going down. Who's buying makeup? Bro, I guess all the fucking girls. Hey Tony, on TradingView, if you were to play Tesla, let's say on an 8-hour reverse MACD signal, are you basing your entry on extended hours or regular? Um, all stocks that you guys look at should be based off of regular trading hours. Don't trade the extended hours. It's gonna fuck you up a little bit. Um, the only the only time that you should be looking at extended hours is probably for the SPY. But even then, I don't even look at the SPY chart. I look at the SPX. I never look at SPY because it doesn't have all the information you need. SPX is gonna trade what 23 hours of the day, 22, 23 hours of the day. Never look at the SPY chart. It's pretty good. But I would strongly recommend that you look at SPX, the SPX 500, and the Nasdaq 100 for like sentiment and for overall movement, for overall direction, and then for regular stocks, just use the regular trading hours. I would stay away from the extended. It's going to pull a ship. They are burning half a supply on February 9th. Wait, who's? Oh, Floki is burning half of the supply. Get into Floki new for fun and giggles. I'm up big. Yeah, Floki is dude. I know Floki did what like a what like a 5x AMD weekly. AMD. I haven't seen AMD in a while. AMD weekly. AMD weekly. Yeah, it broke everything. Look, it broke every single it broke everything. Dude, AMD weekly. If you would have bought on the weekly 61, you would have been of a pretty decent amount. Again, I'm telling you guys, dude. If you guys want to swing trade safely, just look at the reverse MACD on the weekly. If you want to safely trade, you're looking at easy 10-20% every month or so. If you want to safely trade on the like swing trade. Yeah, AMD looks like it's going back up to 84 bucks. I can almost guarantee you guys it's going to go to $84, which means that Nvidia is probably headed the same way too. There we go. Nvidia, dude, look at that gap up. Nvidia might actually run all the way back up to actually there's a gap here. So it might actually fill gap at 230 and then drop. But what I'm excited about is GME tomorrow. That's what I'm excited about. I'm excited about GameStop tomorrow. I think look at this. You broke to the upside. You broke that trend. Oh wait, never mind. I don't think trend's broken yet. See, you're in a pretty nice trend right there on the daily. So I'm just waiting for this to break. My target for tomorrow is going to be between $26 and $28. But because we close at 22, we can go as high as 32 bucks, as high as $33 possibly. That's what I think where we can go for GME. But dude, all these, I think Shop is possibly the most underrated stock in the market right now. From how much from where it's at. From 25, if you would have caught that bottom at 25, you could have done a huge move up. But even right now, from 50 to 150 is 100% doable. I think Shopify can 100% go past, its previous high of 175. 100%, dude. From here, it's a 3x, right? From here, it's a 3x right now. So even let's look at a regular, right here. Let's look at that low, right? We just do a regular trending fib on just direction for the monthly. Like, bro, like, where's this thing going? Right? You can go to, 220, 245, 278. I mean, e-commerce is going to stay the future, dude. E-commerce is going to stay being the future. So I can definitely see Amazon. I guess I already have a target up here at like whatever this is. So I guess I have a target up here somewhere. Oh wait, no, that was from before they did that. The that was before they did their stock split or whatever. But yeah, target right now, I would definitely say that my target would be somewhere between 220, 278 long term. That's an easy forecast for me. I don't think Shopify is going to go anywhere. I think Shopify is going to, it's definitely going to compete with Amazon and Walmart. But again, Walmart's going to be the slow mover. Walmart's always going to be your slow mover. Shopify is going to be that like really fun. Like, oh, look at that. Look at that. Hey, Flair, you're going to be closing a perfect entry on Amazon in 1 day and 22 hours. I hope you can see this, Flair. The last time it did that was right here. And then what happened? And then before the perfect entry was back here. And it went from $8 to $20. The next entry was around here. It went from $14 to 188, right? And then perfect entry is going to be right now in a day from 102. I can, this shit looks like it's going to keep running super hard. So, I mean, just looking at the trending fibs, dude, like we're looking at what? Where's the last time this thing went? Was like at lows. If we're really looking at this, like the crazy way from the last like stochastic low, which is like right here. Look at this. Look at this stupid entry. Look at the target on this. Target on Amazon would be 235 to 295 to $300. like a 3x from here, which I would 100% believe, to be honest, because their AWS is growing, and I don't even know what kind. I don't even know how much they're worth. What is Amazon worth? Simple info. What is what is their market cap? Tick size. No, I don't care about that. Let me look at their financials. Financials. There we go. How much are they worth? What's their statement, statistics, dividends, earnings, market cap? 1 trillion. They'd be a $3 trillion company, which I can 100% believe. Look at that. Earnings. Oh, you know what? Actually, let's look at the earnings because I haven't actually checked their earnings in a while. So quarterly, Q4. So surprise to the downside, 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 upside. So again, Q4. How do they usually do? See, look at that. Q4, they usually surprise pretty hard to the upside. They did over a 600% gain. This was back in what? Q4 2021? It was February 3rd, 2022. So let's actually look at that. Right? Let's look at the last time Amazon had earnings, which was February 3rd, 2022. What happened on that day? That's exactly what we need to do. We need to figure out what February 3rd, 2022. February 3rd, 2022. There we go. So there it is. This is what we should be looking at right now, right? The last time that Amazon had February 3rd, they had earnings right here. They popped from 141 to 155. From 155. They popped $14 on the overnight session on Q4. So unless they have a crazy surprise, again, you know what? I might actually just hold my calls for the 2nd of February because it looks like just from what they're historically what's going on with them, it looks like they're gonna kill it. Because look, last year for 2021, you had you had it beat, right? You beat by $668 annually. Annually, look at that. It looks like you're probably still gonna beat. Their estimate looks still pretty good. I wish I can go back further back. I want to see their full earnings. Let me see if I can. Oh, there we go. So earnings. Q4 reported, estimated. See, 2020 they beat for Q4. Q4 huge beat, right, for 2021. And again, right here, forecast. There's no forecast, but again, every single Q4 it looks like they've beaten every single time, and the revenue just keeps going up higher and higher and higher. So revenue reported again. Damn, I wish I could go further back. I don't know how I can go further back on this. But I mean, honestly, it looks like they're gonna keep. Let me see their annual money. Look at that. Annually, everything keeps going up. Their revenue keeps going up higher, higher, higher. I would not be surprised, especially with inflation, if their earnings actually comes in super high, for Amazon. And the thing is, though, it doesn't have to be that good because everybody already thinks that it's gonna be pretty shit, right? Everybody thinks that Q4 is gonna be bad. Um, so, they might actually beat super hard to the upside. So it might actually be a good idea to just hold calls overnight, to be honest, which I think I might do. It's super, super risky though. I might sell half my position and just hold overnight. But historically, it looks like they beat super, super hard every single time. And their Q4, their estimate is 0.17. Dude, that's crazy low. It's actually their Q4 is estimated to be under their Q3 estimate, which is ridiculous, right? Their Q4 has always been what, 0.36, Q4 0.18. Look how hard they beat, dude. They always beat, look at that. So zero point 0.7, 2020, 1.39 was ridiculous. Again, I really do think they're gonna beat estimates because a 0.17 is probably some of the lowest estimate that they've had since Q2 of 2022. Look at that. They never had such a low estimate, and I think people are doing this because they want to fuck the retail over. Yeah, dude, I'm holding this shit. I'm holding this for my calls. I'm holding my calls for it, dude. That looks insane. That's enough for me. You have the sauce. Yeah, that's insane. Dude. Amazon, I'm holding. This looks crazy, dude. If anything, I might add to the position. To be honest, I want to see how GME ends up working out. But Shopify looks ridiculously good right now. I think Shopify is going to like 150. Amazon eventually, I think it's probably gonna hit like $300. Ulta is gonna keep going up. AMD looks like it's gonna keep running. Walmart probably back to 158. Um, did that PD hit or did we get stopped out? I haven't checked it yet. 15 minute. Let's see. We got stopped out of this thing. Not yet. Not stopped out yet. And it's actually going to trigger a perfect entry in the next 8 minutes or so. So not stopped out yet. Still holding right there. And it actually looks like we hit a bottom right there. So far, so good. Yeah, so far we're doing pretty well. And it actually looks like we're rebounding to the upside. So I think we're pretty solid. I'm pretty sure dollar's dropping right now. SPY to 320. Nah, dude. I don't think it's going down there anymore. I think the bear market's over, to be completely honest. We still, yeah, I saw, dude. We're still good. Yeah, we're still good. So everybody in the chat that's still holding that, then I think it's gonna play out. As long as we don't break those lows, I think we're fantastic. But we'll see. Again, this could definitely change pretty hard, but yeah, we'll see what happens, man. I've been on for 51 minutes. All right, cool. I might actually jump off of this in like 10 minutes or so because I've been on this for an hour, and my sister-in-law came over today, so we're probably gonna go hang out with her for a little bit and until everything kind of settles. Let me see. Let's look at Bitcoin. Where's Bitcoin at? We should have it here somewhere. And I'll look at Floki right now too. 23.7. That's not bad. Floki. Floki. Where's it at? Coinex. Floki on Gate.io. Floki. Damn, look at that, dude. From 0.00. This was, look at that, back on January 29th. Jesus. Oh, wait. No, it's higher than that. Is this a gap up? No way this is a gap, dude. That's, what the hell is that? See? Is that a gap up? What is that? Is that a gap up? What the hell? The low is what? Point oh, it's 723. Dude, this ran like a 3x, right? Yeah. From 7.5 to 23, a little bit over a 3x, or around a 3x, I think. I think it did a 3x of what? From the ninth till, yeah, a little bit less than a month. It did a 300% gain, which is pretty solid. It's pretty good. It's actually really good. I'm actually kind of excited about I'm actually pretty excited about Amazon. It actually looks like it's gonna beat Q4 earnings really bad. So I'm debating right now if I should actually keep holding it or not. But we'll see. Does that want me to do a TA on anything? Outrageous for brother. It's so funny. I said we break down this week, but I hope I'm wrong. Yeah, I don't think we'll break down this week simply because, I mean, if you look at the SPY, right? If we look at the SPX, we'll go back to it, dude. I mean, a big part of that is because I'm looking at the dollar, and the dollar's, it just looks like it's gonna keep going down, but the SPX on the 4 hour, it's still on, shit, it's on a 4 hour trigger. Damn it. You know what, Flair, you might be right. You might be right actually on that. You might be right. Look at that. Oh, there we go. T-Mac, you still on here, bro? Look, we're starting to recover a little bit, so that should be pretty solid. Look at that. We're starting to recover a little bit. He actually beat these highs right here. He actually broke high, so I'm pretty sure you're gonna go back up to this level like 407. Pretty sure you're gonna head up here. So we'll see. Um, I want to look at. I mean, the only crappy part is you are gonna be closing a bear trigger on the daily sometime soon. But we'll see what happens because I definitely think that we can keep pushing as long as earnings don't come out to be complete poopy. So we'll see. But also, my the chart that I'm using is might be wrong because let me see. Where are we at? This is 406. Man, I have so many charts on the SPX. I just need the FX CM one, the FXCM one, because I don't even know why I don't get it here, which is super weird. The Nasdaq. Oh, are we above? Look at all these charts. Take this off. Take this off. This right there. Yeah, I mean, I think from here, I think we're gonna push up to 12.6 or 12.7 really on the Nasdaq. So would definitely not be surprised if you start breaking to the upside, right? But again, once that weekly goes, right, if we actually end up closing another bear week sometime here, I actually think we'll close a bear week up here. So what I'm thinking happens is we actually keep pushing towards FOMC like this, keep pushing up, and then from here we close that bear week, and you actually drop all the way down like right here somewhere like that. And then from here, that's when you make that next jump to like that or something. I think that's probably what's gonna happen for the market. So I think we keep pushing super hard. Once that weekly triggers, right? Because we're gonna hit a perfect entry on the weekly. We go short as fuck. We get out of everything, short everything. Probably come back to this level, start DCAing around here, just to like get in, or probably start DCAing around this trend here. Um, but this actually looks like you might come back down to like maybe like right there. So this might actually be a little bit lower, something like right there, like right here or something. So maybe halfway here, right? So if we actually end up doing that, let me see what the fib is here. So we do the low here, run this up there. That would be a perfect, yeah, look at that. It would probably get you a perfect 618 retracement, 618.5. You're right in the middle. So yeah, this definitely looks right. Would not be surprised if we run up to 12.7 on the NASDAQ and then you retrace here to that, to like that point 6, point 0.5, you bounce up and that's going to be that super hard bounce. And I'm pretty sure that's going to happen with the SPX as well. It just looks very likely. It looks super likely. Come on, are we getting stopped out yet? Let me see. Now we're still there. What about US 30? US 30 should give us a really good idea of what's going on too. What about the daily? Look at the weekly. I think the weekly, look at that. Look at that perfect retest right there, dude. Yeah, from what, and look, you even broke this high right here. You even broke that high right there. Broke this high, which is previous market structure. You broke the structure, came back down, retested, and I think from here, we're actually headed more towards like a, I'd say here, like a 35446 on the US 30. I definitely think we're headed up here. This does kind of look like a double top, maybe. I'm not too worried about it yet. Not too worried, not yet, at least. So I'm not like too crazy worried about this yet. But again, you did break that structure on US 30. I think next range for us is gonna definitely gonna be somewhere up there. Um, I gotta add some more structure here to see what's going on. But I think you can definitely break this to the high side, right? Because if this breaks, if you break this trend here, next stop for us is gonna be on the US 30 here. If you break that trend here, you're probably going to like right there, like somewhere right here. Yeah, actually, let me put some structure there for us right now. Probably right here, like right there. I'd be okay with calling that structure. Structure here, and then possibly more structure like right there. So these are probably going to be your numbers here for the setup, right? If you break this trend, right, you're going to go all the way up here. Do we have anything else around this area? Let me see. Here, do you have any structure here? A lot of structure right there. Yeah, I'd say that's pretty good structure there. And then somewhere up here, like right there. Probably lower, like right here somewhere. Yeah, that's probably structure right there. So you definitely do have resistance right now. You haven't broken it yet. I'd be very comfortable saying that you do have a really strong chance on the US 30 of coming back down like, whoops, like here somewhere and then pushing up. And again, that's probably also up like a nice trend right there. So trend here like that. So that would make sense. It would make sense to come back here, possibly come back down to like here, right on trend and support, and then push up and then push up like that. So would not be surprised to see a drop like this. But again, it really just depends. Just depends on what's going on, or just depends on where we push here. Because again, you are on the stochastic you are overbought technically, but again, you've had that before where you're overbought and you keep pushing hard to the upside. So if from here you keep pushing, you break this trend, you're gonna push up above the trend, maybe come back and retest, push up to 34874, or you just keep pushing directly up there. It just seems extremely likely that we keep pushing up. I'm definitely not bearish right now. Definitely not bearish. I say we break down this week. Outrageous for brother-in-law. Love your support, Flair. Say less, boo. TA on Matic. Matic's going up, bro. I don't really need to do too much TA on Matic, to be honest. I mean, I think everybody's been buying up Matic like pretty easily. Oh, actually, you might reject here. Actually, I didn't think about that. You might reject there because you're on resistance right there. Yeah, if you don't break this high right here, if you don't break that resistance, you're probably gonna come right back down. You're gonna break that. You're gonna come back down from like right here. And I think Bitcoin's actually on. I think Bitcoin is on resistance too, maybe. Almost. It's almost at resistance. So I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if you like hit this a little bit and then come right back down to this support at like 21.7 ish, and then the whole market's gonna follow. So if if Bitcoin keeps pushing up, then that's fantastic. But it looks like everything's starting to hit some sort of a resistance level. I'd wait to get into Matic unless you break these highs. If you break this resistance, I'd definitely long this all the way to 1.4. Yeah, but I don't need too much TA on this. This is either gonna break this and it's gonna run all the way up here, or you're gonna reject this, come back down, and then you're gonna move all the way up. Fucking this thing, right? And then you're gonna move up like this. So either way, I mean, you can take this wherever you want. You can start your martingale position here. When you drop down here, add more longs, and then I think we're gonna push up, or we're gonna push up directly from here. And if you push up, you're gonna break these highs, these relative highs, which more than likely opens up, this forecast here of like that, right? So you open up this forecast, and now you're looking more into the range of like 1.6, 170 ish. So a lot of things that can happen, right? As soon as this high gets broken right here, can almost guarantee you're probably going between 160 and 170. So I don't need too much TA. We're red. Have a good day, everyone. Oh, we're red, are we? Did it drop? Did everything drop? I probably got stopped out then. Did we drop? Looks like we did, right? Uh, did we? I wouldn't call it red. I would definitely add longs here, to be honest. I'd add more longs right now. I'd probably add another. I'm probably gonna add a more short positions and then keep the stop loss exactly where it's at. I'm probably gonna add more longs just because we actually did close. Where's the 5 minute at? 5 minute, just chilling. I'd probably add longs. I'm probably gonna add some more longs right now. If we break down this low, I don't think I'll take a big loss. But if we move up, I think we're gonna keep pushing to 411. That'll be a pretty big win. So yeah, I'll definitely add to my longs right now. I got a Oh hey, got a new Patreon. Vadim. Shout out to you, bro. I think Vadim, if you're on the, for you that just joined, so thank you to bro, Vadim. Man, where's my? None of you guys gonna give me a super chat? Come on, guys. I thought somebody was gonna give me at least like $5 or something, so I can, at least buy my chicles and stuff. Red on BTC weekly close. Sorry. Oh, red on BTC close. BTC. Ray, on what time frame, dude? Red. Oh yeah, we're coming down a little bit. I wouldn't be too. Oh, the 4 hour is gonna come down. We're pushing up. What about the daily? Daily is. Oh, gave up the daily. Gave up the daily. What about the 8 hour? Where's my 8 hour? 8 hour. 8 hour bullish. What about the 1 hour? 1 hour. Ah, it's bearish. Yeah, if we close that 4 hour, I think we'll definitely see some more drop to down here. It's weird though. I mean, I can definitely see this drop lower, but I don't think so, man. I feel like we're not gonna drop that low. I really don't. It doesn't seem likely right now. I mean, if I had to pick a range, it's pretty easy. You have a pretty high range here. It's pretty small. Look at that. Your range right now is there. 23.6 to 23.9. So I really don't think that's I really don't think that's a big range at all, to be honest. Like I think it's a very small range right now. And it's on the hour. Especially after you like moon pretty hard on Bitcoin. So I'll give you guys two things, right? If you actually break these lows, I think you're probably gonna drop all the way back down to like here. If not, if you break the highs, you'll probably do like this or something. So I mean if you want to swing this, I'd probably wait a little bit. If we drop down to these lowers of like 23,643 around this area right here, I'd probably long all of this and set your stops like down here. So set your stop under range, long all of this area, and then you can either take your profit up here or you can hold it and hope we break to 24.3. Because again, if we break to this and we actually touch 24.3, um, chances are you're not gonna stop there. Chances are you'll probably keep pushing to 28K. If this actually breaks, I can almost guarantee you guys we're going back to like 28K, 30K Bitcoin. Almost guarantee you guys. Tony's wife is calling. I gotta go. Fucking hell, dude. Let me see. SPX 500. I think I'm gonna. It's 405. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go just because. Ah, there we go. Where's T-Mac? See, there's your small move up right there. Told you guys. All right, with that being said, I hope everybody has a great trading day. I'll be back here tomorrow morning. I'll make a video before market open, as like I always do. If you guys have any other TA that you want to do, feel free to leave a comment on the Patreon, or leave your comments on YouTube, and I'll do some TA on there. But I think I'm pretty good, and I'm gonna go eat because I have a bunch of like corn that I haven't finished. So, with that being said, have a great day, guys. It was definitely awesome being back for like an hour or so. I'll try to do this more often when I can. I definitely have to be more consistent this year, just because it's pretty cool. But I'll the next time I go live, this was kind of like a random notice and stuff to you guys. So the next time, I'll definitely let you guys know that I'm gonna go live on the Patreon, and I'll drop it in the chat and stuff. That way, everybody has a little bit more time, if they like to actually see what's going on and stuff. So, with that being said, I'll leave you guys to have a great weekend, and then hope you guys all have a great day. I love you all. Bye bye.